We are quickly approaching the 4th of July holiday, as we've been mentioning, with millions of drivers expected to hit the roads to get to their holiday cookouts and gatherings. But how much is it going to cost you to fill up at the gas pump, more or less this year? Joining us now is Lauren Fabrizi from AAA Northeast with a look at what you can expect. Lauren, it's great to see you.
Always great to be here.
All right, so do we have good news or bad news for drivers when it comes to gas prices this holiday weekend?
All right, so even though we saw gas prices climb a little bit over the past few weeks, overall, it is good news because when you look at where we're at now compared to this time last year, prices at the pump are significantly lower. So right now, the national average for a gallon of regular is 3.17. That's down 32 cents from this time last year. And in Connecticut, our average for a gallon of regular is also at 3.17, down almost 40 cents from this time last year.
There was some concern that the conflict overseas would be impacting gas prices, but we're not seeing that at the moment.
So initially, when we saw the conflict escalate a couple of weeks ago, the price of crude oil did spike due to market volatility, which in turn caused gas prices to tick up a bit. But those crude oil gains have since dissipated, and gas prices here in Connecticut have actually held steady the past week. Also, before all of that transpired overseas, we were already seeing gas prices start to climb a bit due to the summer road trip season beginning and demand for gas going up. So, what we're seeing on that front is certainly in line with seasonal trends.
So where does Connecticut land on the list of high gas prices?
So, right now, Connecticut is 19th on the list of highest gas prices in the US, which is pretty typical. We usually rank anywhere from 15 to 25 on that list, at least from what I've seen over the past year. And when you compare us to the other states in the tri state area, New York is slightly above us on the list, and New Jersey is slightly below us.
Is there a best day of the week to fill up your car? I'm curious.
Well, the best advice is to just fill up as soon as you can ahead of your 4th of July road trips. There is always a chance that gas prices may tick up slightly as we get closer to the holiday due to increased demand, but we really just don't know for certain what's going to happen with the prices. In terms of traffic, now through the Sunday after the 4th, we are expecting traffic to be the heaviest in the afternoon into the evening hours. So really, the earlier that you can leave, and then if you need to fill up your gas tank too, the earlier the better.
All right, Lauren Fabrizi from AAA Northeast. Great advice. We hope you have a fantastic 4th of July.
You too, Catherine.
All right, take care.